Winter storm watch in effect from Thursday morning through Friday afternoon. What? Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 9 inches and ice accumulations up to around 0.2 of an inch possible. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? In New York, northern Oneida, Steuben, Schuyler, Chemung, Tompkins, Madison, southern Oneida, Portland, Chenango, Otsego, Tioga, Broome, Delaware and Sullivan counties. In Pennsylvania, Bradford, Susquehanna, northern Wayne, Wyoming, Lackawanna, Luzerne, Pike and southern Wayne counties. When? From Thursday morning through Friday afternoon. Impact. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details, snow and ice amounts will vary greatly depending on location and elevation. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Winter storm warnings could be issued as the storm gets closer and confidence increases. You're listening to the NOAA Weather